guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and welcome to a new video. So this is like the unboxing or unpacking of all the items I came back from Nigeria with here. So if you've watched this series up to this point, or these vlogs up to this point, yay, thank you, and thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. Okay, this series started from when I went back to Nigeria, when I started talking about losing my mom, everything that happened in Nigeria, the funeral and everything, and obviously me coming back to the UK as well. Okay, so if you've watched up to this point, thank you for supporting me. All right, so I came back yesterday from Nigeria. You guys must have seen that vlog before this one. So I want to unbox and unpack all the things I came back with, basically food items. So I came back with, the thing is, when I got to the airport, my loads were much because I bought a lot of foodstuffs. So I planned, or I decided to upgrade my luggage to 123. You know, the usual distance for economy flight is 23 kg. Yeah, so I did one bag 23 kg and the other one 32 kg. So I came back with a lot of foodstuffs, like loads and loads of foodstuffs. So I'll be showing you guys now, but I don't think I will open up everything because some of these food items I want to keep them in my freezer or in my pantry the way I packed them till when I'm ready to use them. Yeah, I don't want to start opening up everything now because I don't have time for that now. I just want to quickly do this unboxing and do other things. Like, guys, this is the box I came back with, this box, and all these things. You guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing it too. So all these things are foodstuffs. You guys should not mind. This is doing laundry and washing clothes. So this is the heap of clothes I'm washing. So in this box are all foodstuffs. Yeah, a lot of them has this kind of stain. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is coffee, because when I finished, it was myself and my mother-in-law. So when we finished packing all the foodstuff, some of the fish were smelling, but we packed them properly. But to avoid too much smell, we just sprinkled some coffee on it. So that's why all these things. Yeah, so this one is dry fish, suya powder. I labeled most of them. This is uba, dry fish. It's a lot. These ones are some medications we need. This suya spices too, plantain, dry fish, dry stockfish, crayfish. In fact, there's a lot. Iru, cocoyam, upper flour, soybeans, dry fish. This is still beans, stockfish. This is abacha with some spices. Dry achi. This is granite, dry pepper, granite stew, some dry pepper. This is okra. This is still uba. This is gari. Stockfish. This is zobo leaves. This is okazi leaves with some cocoyam powder. And this is potash and ngo. My weighing scale is in here. I also bought some other things like this kinky box to make my kids hair. Some hair care products from my sister's store. So these are hair care products from Kudos Healthy Living. A lot of them. This one is a leave-in conditioner, scalp spray, hair mist, hair care product from my sister, and some other hair stuffs and relaxer, Brazilian wool. And so these are leaves. I think it's a scent leaf, This should be otazi leaf, uziza leaf, this is oha leaf, and this is olubu. Actually, this is scent leaf as well. You guys, you see this video, I'm so tired. I didn't even want to do this video. I wanted to just pack everything away, but I said let me just do a quick unboxing to show you guys here. So everything is on the floor now. Like I said, I might be opening up some, or I might not open up some. So anyhow you see this unboxing, you guys should just take it like that, and be sure to watch, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, I'm super tired now. I'm doing laundry, I'm washing the dishes, a lot of things I'm cooking. My head is full. So guys, what I just did now is to prep my leaves, the leaves I came back with, the otazi, the oziza, and the scent leaf. So this is how I normally prep them, and then I'll pop them in my freezer for whenever I want to use them. I'll just grab, take the portion I want to use, and it's also, as in once it's in the freezer and I want to use them and I use them to cook anything I want to cook, it is still as fresh as, like, it tastes fresh, it looks fresh, even the green is still greening. So yeah, that's how I do it. So the oha leaf is there. I think I'll be cooking oha soup today or tomorrow, so that's why I've not done anything with the oha leaf. So this is oha leaf. Prepped this one because I want to use it today or tomorrow to cook oha soup. Yeah, so that means let me now show you guys the things grandma, this is grandma gave me to give to them. So grandma gifted Adeze this one, very lovely slippers for summer. I thought they will start wearing it now, although the weather is beginning to get cold a little bit, but they can still be wearing it now. And then when it gets cold, I'll put them away, and then in the summer they will start rocking it full time. Ta-da! Very beautiful, very lovely slippers, footwear. Is their grandma not the best? They have the best, I mean the best grandma, no cap, no cap, no cap. So beautiful footwear. And also grandma, that's my husband's mom, they call her grandma. They used to call my mom Nene, but yeah, that's by the way. So my husband's mom, my mother-in-law, gifted me this beautiful outfit. You guys, this is 2-piece. This is a trouser and a top. This is so beautiful. Grandma gave you this shoe, and grandma gave you this one.
Grandma's the best.
Sorry?
Grandma's the best.
Grandma is the best, yeah?
Mother, give grandma a cake.
You give grandma a cake. So says she give grandma a cake.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, come and try it. Move your feet. It's so cute, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, put a leg there. Oh, what a beautiful footwear. So what will you say to grandma?
Thank you, grandma.
What will you say to grandma? So
Thank you, grandma.
What again will you say?
Thank you, grandma.
Grandma is the best, yeah?
I'll give grandma cake. Bye-bye. Have a great day, Nigeria.
Don't worry, we'll call grandma very soon, okay? When we finish now, we'll call grandma. This is my Oziza leaf. You can see how green it is. And some